The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, fellas. Jim in San Diego, James, Salem, Ray, Deepak, Leo. Guys, very good morning. Today is Friday. It is August 27. It is the end of the week. It is the last day of this link. Remember on Monday, good morning, Becky. Stephen, good morning. Same to you, Becky. Fellas, it is the last day of this link. So on Monday, or prior to Monday, remember you guys will log into your this morning. For those of you guys that are running bots, we had an ES trade. First target, I must have the break even set. I'll take that off. But we had a winner on the ES, and we had a winner on gold, and I know I have the break even on this. But we have a winner on gold, and then we have two trades in the NASDAQ, which is just long for a small winner, short for a losing trade. So there's been 4 bot trades, 3 winners. Bots are green, small. Here is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting today for bond yields to rise and bonds to sell off. The 10-year will probably sell. Gold is trying to get back above 1,800 here. I would expect indices, to sell today. In any event, we'll see what we get, guys. We trade what we see, not what we think. If NASDAQ breaks below 308, you have a target at 295. NASDAQ is a short. We may stop at 300, but we are sitting on a pivot on the hourly, so it may or may not come anywhere. Let me take a look at YM. Came into daily support at the 21. It hit my target that I left you guys with when we closed the room yesterday at that 120 area. It got there. That was 200 tick trade, fellas. Let's see here. I'm just sliding charts over to the left. Yeah, I mean we're just in chop areas everywhere. But the YM, I'm guessing, will come down to 35,000 area. That would be its next bounce. It held the 21 period moving average on a daily. Crude, I put a crude trade in the member Skype yesterday, which took a stop out and has now gone to the target that I put in the member area. Right target, wrong stop. Crude is bid. Russell holding some daily support around 2,200 area, just above. A break of that, 2186, 2179 next on the Russell. I'm just adjusting charts, guys. The indices all basically look the same. Sloppy for the moment. ES looks like it's in the best shape. Pretty good support on the ES between 25 and 35. And gold just traded up into resistance on the daily at 1808, or has gone to 1808, and that's its current resistance. depending on what's said today, gold could begin a move up to 1840. So we'll see what we get there. Let's take a quick look. By the way, if you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome. Your trials will end today with the exception of one. NASDAQ is traded 48,000 contracts overnight, a little bit light. We do have 1,600 net buyers. Light volume in copper. Not bad volume in gold. 1,000 net buyers. Crude. Decent volume with 3,000 net buyers. ES also very light volume. Couple thousand buyers. Silver small volume. I think silver's headed down toward 20. We'll see. DAX small volume. Euro small volume. I think euro's going to get trounced. I think we'll have dollar strength. In any event, guys, we'll trade what we see, not what we think. I do have the bots on. They are up this morning. I think the bots are down $600 or something for the week. Good morning, Hubba Hubba. All things being equal, that's about what we expected. I have kept track of order flow trades. I have had exactly, irrespective of the trade I put in member Skype yesterday, in the room, I've had exactly one losing trade on order flow this week. So we'll trade what we see, not what we think. Let me read the disclaimer. I'll check news aside from what we know we have at 10 o'clock. I don't know that there's anything else today, but I'll look. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Good morning, Greg. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. We're good to go. Now we can hurry up and wait. Let's check the news, if any, today. Nothing. Advanced goods trade balance, retail inventories, wholesale inventories, all of the, and then at 8:30 PCE, deflator, personal income, personal spending. So we do have some 8:30 news. All of this will be irrelevant. And Powell speaks at 10. Fed's Harker, non-voter, we have achieved inflation goals and moving along toward employment goals. Repeat supports tapering sooner rather than later. I think you'll see it if not in October, November. It's really beyond appalling. It's beyond appalling. All right, a little bit of resistance right here on a small time frame. NASDAQ can trade up to maybe 30. They have not given a number of total dead. Not to mention innocent people and children. Yeah, let him blame it on Trump. He's an idiot. He really is an idiot. It's all Trump's fault. And the worst part is there are people that will say it's Trump's fault. He's the one that made the decision how to leave. Trump wanted to leave too. Good morning, Chris. Trump wanted to leave Afghanistan. The issue isn't leaving. The issue, in my opinion, this is just an opinion, guys. I have no trade, so I'm sitting here spouting off. The issue is how he left. Chris, we're going to zero, buddy. Today's your day. Sell it all. Absolutely. Get the Americans out first. This is my opinion. Get the Americans out first. Get the Afghan people that wanted to work with, or that have worked with the U.S. for 20 years. Get them out as promised. As promised. Okay, Benghazi. As promised. Get them out. I mean, seriously, who in the hell would work with our government at this point? Get the military out, then close the military base. Why would you close the military base first? I mean, I'm not a general. I don't know. Right. When and how we left. Yep. Yeah. Listen, I agree. Brian, I agree. I don't think we should have, we should have been out of there long ago. I don't have any issue with that. Well, his story is, and it may be true, I don't know, that they left that equipment for the Afghan army. They left the equipment as bribes. Anybody check eBay to see if they're selling Blackhawks yet? Yeah, I said that the other day. You bought 2 Blackhawks on Craigslist. Who's going to fly them here? Bashkar, truer words were never spoken. That is absolutely true. I mean, again, CNN is just killing Biden on this. They're killing him. Now they're impartial. F-16 on eBay. I mean, that's mind-boggling. Guys, I almost think we can take a gold trade long. We've got to get obviously above VWAP. Let me look at gold. Yeah, gold will probably trade up to 1801. I don't think it can go any higher than that. again, barring news. Yeah, I agree, Tommy, 100%. I'm with you. 4 years taught us that. That's that unfinished auction. Small target. Coincides with some support and the 68. Biden's, the eviction moratorium, they ruled against it. They ruled for the group of owners and landlords, et cetera, that filed the suit. So it's a 91 with an 06. We have some block sellers here. 21. I would like to see this come back to 74 or even 63 for an entry. Come on, come get that unfinished auction. Stop is 06, fellas. This looks like it wants to pop up. Come on. We're losing the buyers. Down to 37 net buyers, 39. Watch your delta. It's not going to leave that auction on the bottom of the candle. It should at least come back to 93. Volume has tailed off pretty good. Brian, we've discussed this and talked about this several 100,000 times in the room. I have Rithmic data. I'm grandfathered with Rithmic. Rithmic is the only data platform that allows to get more than 10 levels on your order flow. Rithmic no longer is taking new people with Ninja. So you cannot get more than 10 on your order flow. And again, we've discussed this several 100,000 times. I have an indicator, which is here, which I am happy to send anyone that would like it, which will you put on your chart, not on your order flow, and it will give you the same levels that I have on my order flow. Again, we've only discussed it in this room several 100,000 times. So if you would like, that's okay. I mean, I talked about it so many times that I can't remember how many. We've had members contact Rhythmic and Ninja and blah, on and on. If you would like that indicator, send it to me, and I will send you the indicator to be placed on your charts. I want to say it very slowly because I have had members actually attempt to place it on their order flow and then email me and say, I still can't get it on my order flow. It goes on your chart, but it's the same thing. It's identical. This may make one spike up, take us out, and then drop. It's coming to get these unfinished auctions. Volume cut in half on that candle. Yep, top of the hour coming. All right, so that auction is gone. There we go. Let's at least come get this auction. 89. There we go. Now we're holding 88. Break of 88. We'll get that first target. We left 3 sellers on the bottom here, guys. Come on. We have a sequential decline, 46.39 and 3, 46.42, 44. There, okay, no more sequential decline. 49, there we go. Now again, sequential decline. 62, there we go. It's gone. Well, you can be at 85 if you like, Mimi. Because it should come get that unfinished auction. But again, it could trade one contract. You're right. It could trade one contract and fill the auction. But let me ask you a question. What do you see below it? What do you see below it? Another unfinished auction at 62, right? What I'm hoping for is a retracement of some of this move. I mean, it may leave this unfinished auction for all I know. I don't know. With the 2.5 minutes, if you guys are uncomfortable in the trade, you can close it. So there's 86. We're holding the 68 area. All it's got to do is break it by a couple of ticks, get below the 68, and then let's try to work down to 62. That would be my next target, right? Small first target. All I want is that first auction. And it did exactly what I said. One contract traded there, right? So the auction is capped. If you guys want to take risk off, never mind. All right. So here's what we have. We have 14 ticks now in the boat. 14 ticks. Our stop is how many ticks? 15. We are risking one tick now, $10 $10 to try to get a bigger trade. So you can keep your 14 ticks, go to break even, or take them all off and make it a $200 trade. Or you can risk $10 to try to get a retracement at least down to 62. That's right. I saw that movie. Full Metal Jacket, buddy. Come on, man. Got to get up earlier than that. So the choice is yours now as an individual trader. You risk $10 for potentially about a 30 tick move here. For those of you guys that, like the risk to reward ratio, it's about a 30 to 1. Does that make sense, guys? No, that was Officer and a Gentleman. I mean, that was Full Metal Jacket. Full Metal Jacket. $5, me make you holla. There's a 9 o'clock spike. So I'll risk the $10. That's the fake move. If you guys want to take it off and keep your money, take it off. We need to catch that swing, and we're good. Hang on, guys. All righty. Sell them all back. Sell them all back. Here we go. Break the swing. Give them a ride. Come on. All right, fellas. Nope. If you're out, you're out. If you are out, you're out. That means you've made money. You elected to close the trade. FOMO is not part of trading. If it goes, it goes. That's it. You made money. You're out of the trade. Now what you want to do is you want to put another trade on, incur another ticket fee. For what? There'll be more trades to do. Just relax. You made money. This looks like we've got buyers, and it's going to come up and take me out. But I lose $10. Right now we have a double top at the day high. So on while I'm gone or throughout the day, if you're watching, that would be my next entry, right? We have to come back down through the 68 area of daily distribution, break the swing, maybe an 80 short, and then your target becomes 62. So far, it hasn't taken me out. I'm amazed. If it fails here, that could, if we can get the pullback here, that may be the high. I'm not convinced it does, but that could be the high. All right, we've pulled the 68 higher up. What does that mean? We should fail. We should. I don't know that we do, but we should. Okay. Got to come down through these buyers here. There we go. Come on. Break that swing and go. Break that swing and go. Small time frame, we're going to get support at 76. Below that, 61. On the hourly, 58, and then 39. So let's see what we're looking like here. All right, we're starting to turn over here. Got to get down below that swing, fellas. If that swing goes, this is coming down. I'm going to go to breakfast. Trade him as you see fit. Okay? I'll be back. If I were going to take another trade, I did, Steve. I haven't gotten to it. If I were going to take another trade, it would be a break of 81. I'll be back, guys. All right, guys, I'm back. Let's see here. Right. So we had let me get rid of this. We had a bot trade on, come on, get out of here. Gold. Look at that first target, 4 ticks. That trade is done. And we have a short currently on crude on the bot. Morning, Jeff. Good morning, Todd. So that's what we have ahead of the opening, fellas. That unfinished auction is at 62. We can probably drop our stop. Parker saying the Delta variant is clearly a problem. I'd like to see crude now stay below 90. Right here. Guys, we still have about 5.5 minutes. Trade this runner as you see fit. The bot is in a short. Should get that 68 target. It should come down here to 62. Maybe 68 on the small time frame, 58 on an hourly. So if we can get a break lower, we'll get that first target. Bonds are turning. No, I said I don't want to see it above 90. I'll put my stop at 98. Powell will speak 10 o'clock. I'll move this off the screen. Here, I'm going to go to break even and leave it. Okay. We'll get ready for the open here. Got to break this support here at 73, and we should get that first target. There it is again to 73. Broke it. Come on, crude. 4 more ticks. Big bids at 68, bigger bids down here at 54. Gold got hit. As usual, I will be watching NASDAQ on the open. We're probably coming to 95 on the NASDAQ. Oh, first target hit. No, there it is. Filled on crude on the bot. Minute and a half, guys. Any questions before we go? All right, I put this at break even so I don't have to watch it on the bot. You got 23 ticks on your order flow trade. 55 is probably final target. Okay. I'll go to 85 on the stop. I'll move it down to 80. I'm squishing this down, guys. Locked in 11. $55 is about what I see on this crude trade. Trade them as you see fit, but 55. Big bids here at 54. We may get 56, 57. I'll bounce ahead of that, somewhere 60 maybe. All right, we're off. We came to 96, not quite 94. We're going to trade up to 14. There's 14. If we can get above 14, 15 area, we can trade back up to maybe 30. Okay, out on the order flow trade. Yeah, it's good for $250. Nvidia blew up. Damn trend line. Nvidia blew up. JP Morgan. Come on. I'm going to have to take the damn trend line off that. As expected, guys, pretty dang slow. There's that 30 level. Russell blowing up. Russell's a short about 22.30 if it gets there, with a stop above 34. So maybe a 35 stop. Oh my God, what these trend lines. NASDAQ has a few thousand buyers. All right, so let me take a look here, guys. Here's VWAP. Bullard would like to start tapering now and finish by the first quarter of 2022. Okay, Greg. I can make an argument for a short with a stop at 33. I'd like to get this back below VWAP. There you go. Up. There's your short. There's your short. First half of 2022 will determine if inflation is in fact moderating. I thought it was transitory. Congratulations, Becky. Have I rolled ZB? December. I mean, they just, they just walk back every damn comment they make. They make a comment. It's almost like testing the waters. All right, guys. I'm watching NASDAQ for a long. Okay, so this ends the debate. Parenthetics. In parentheses, Israel study shows natural immunity 13 times more effective than the vaccine at stopping Delta. Thank you, Dirk. Can you send me a copy of that article, please? Email it to me, will you? All right, guys, this is where I think I like the long. Right there. Come on, bounce. With a stop at 95. I will. Absolutely, Greg. Come on, bounce. Bounce. Back over VWAP. Bounce. No bounce. Not much of a bounce. Come on, rat bag. We're going red. Come on. Find me some buyers. Get me up to 21. Let's go 21 target. 12 to 21. We're stuck at 14.15. Sellers again. Buyers again. It's mixed in here. Come on. Holding a small buy zone in here. Come on, get back above 12. That's the line in the sand, 12, half, 13. $319, $320, $314. Some buyers again. All right, guys. I'm going to kill this trade. I'm not going to hold this to stop. It's got to bounce here. It's not. Come on, get back above 6. Nope. I killed it. Will you just send me the article, please? I don't have zero hedge. We got the small bounce out of there, and that was it. Gridlocked here. This could fail 08. Not much on the bounce here, fellas. Didn't even get to 08. They're buying Russell. It's 30 was the short, 35 was the stop. It went to 34 half. Anybody took that Russell short. First target is 27, 28. Bullard said it's possible the economy is switching to a higher rate regime. I don't even know what that means. Talking about higher interest rates. Told you bonds would reverse. Yeah. Nice job, Ray. Nice job. Good week. We have small buyers in here, guys. We failed '08, but not much. Yeah, they're just waiting on Powell. Now we trade back up to 20. Doop dee doo. Waiting on news, guys. Bullard says at some level, tapering process has been priced in. Crude is going to go long. Let me look at crude. That's tradable. Guys, we're going to have to wait on 10 o'clock is what it looks like. It's only 10 minutes away. I mean, I like crude long up to the whole number. If you guys want to take a crude trade, maybe back, nah, forget it. Forget it. Thank you, Dirk. An 88 long, Craig? RTY got target one. It would have gone. No, it didn't. Let me look. I'm watching this dollar index. Yeah, I see it as long. CO. It's got to get up through 92 and it goes. It's long, 88. I agree with you.
Order submitted.
Trying to get 90 here.
Order filled.
All right. There we go. Target 106. NASDAQ just isn't tradable. Gold's getting a bit of a bid ahead of the news. Bonds also bidding ahead of. Guys, whatever this is, with gold indices, this all changes in 10 minutes. NASDAQ is dead flat.
Order filled.
All right. Crude is now long on the bot. I have it at 53 at the moment. It doesn't need to be there. 64. We're just slugging around here, guys, ahead of FOMC. Or ahead of Powell. Coming straight down. Of course, Bashkar. Absolutely. Bum, 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 bum. What a slow day. I sure hope Powell says something to get these markets going in one direction or the other. I don't care what direction it goes. Hang on, guys. At least 95 Afghans killed. My source was they were putting the bodies in. Yeah, you said that yesterday. Ay vey. Everybody sit tight. The text release is going to be released. I'm not. You're using different settings than me, Caleb. It's a good trade, but it's different settings than me. Michigan sentiment and the text release from Powell coming. If we break long above VWAP, text release.
Order filled.
We cannot take for granted that transitory inflation will fade. Michigan data 70.3 is 5 tenths lower than expected.
Delta poses near-term risk, but the job prospects are good. Inflation has meant the threshold to taper. Yeah, I see it. You can't trade that.
Target filled.
Something likely to continue to weigh on inflation. Guys, listen, I love volatility, but if you guys want to try to trade this, careful, careful, careful. I'm good with volatility. I'm not trying to trade this. Let it settle down. Let it settle down. What the Fed does with bond buying is not connected to what they do with rate increase timing. So here's what we got going on. We got a Russell trade. We've got a gold trade, a crude trade, which I'm looking to kill here on the book. Asset purchases or cutbacks will not carry any direct signal with interest rate hikes. Guys, I'm telling you, be patient. We're clearly longs. We have much ground to cover to reach maximum employment. Yeah, genius.
Order filled.
We have another bot trade, gold.
Top filled.
Out on this crude trade. Crude is just hanging out, guys, right around our entry. It's not breaking up. If you guys want to get out of the trade, it's a long. It's long. It's just it's in a chop zone, but it's a long. This could go to 70 if it gets any oomph. Russell hit third target here. Let him settle down, guys. Let him. Good morning, Marco. Russell looks long to 55. RTY looks long to 55.
The dollar remains on some softer ground here. Stock prices have firmed marginally back into the U.S. Treasury curve, and the whole curve now in positive territory, along with going up half a reaction to the prepared remarks from Chairman Powell.
Yeah, that's fine, Joel. That's fine. No. I may not be out of the room until 11, so let's call it 11:15. 11:15. I'll definitely be done then. Out of this crude trade. No, it hit, it didn't. Came one tick to stop. Gold, you piece of crap. Yep, that's good. Come on, gold. Long gold. Long gold. Gold should get to 1806. Should. Crude still screwing around. Come on, gold, let's go. Gold needs to get up through 99.7, 99.8, and it'll go. There it goes. Right, straight to the break. Nice job, Harold. See you Monday. Don't forget, new link on Monday. Oh, Tuesday. Yeah, I'm out Monday. I am out Monday. Powell begins speaking soon here, fellas. Going to be out on crude.
Stop filled.
Out. Excuse me. Going to be out on the Russell here.
Stop filled.
Okay. Only thing left is gold. That's all that's in a trade. If we break out above 15,400, NASDAQ's going for a long ride. We should get to 416 on the NASDAQ. 416. If you guys like them, if you guys like buying breakouts, 416. Come on, gold, get above this 01. Get to at least 03. There we go. Come on, get 05. I mean, it's a big stop, dude. I'll give you your stop. I'm not taking it. Probably 25. 25. I would not go below 44. 44. Oh, you're in at 58. Okay. To buy or sell. 45.30. 45.30. Yeah, I guess that's where we're headed, right? On the ES. Then we got to come up now through 042. I'm going to kill this ahead of Powell.
Target filled.
I killed it. It's break even now ahead of Powell. I don't know what he's going to say. You guys may want to kill bots. If we break out above 97, this thing blows. Nice job, Chuck. No, it was a great entry. The only thing that, again, the only reason I'm sitting here is because of Powell, right? I mean, I don't know what he's going to say. The text is out, so I don't think he says anything to spook the market. We should get to 412. It's all buyers for the most part. You have 3,200 NASDAQ buyers. All right, so first target was just hit on the bot. First target was just hit. So here's the dealio, fellas. The bot is green for the week. Let me look at gold. at CL. Where's my gold chart? Yes, there's gold. Gold is fighting pretty good resistance here. If we break up, next target I have for gold is maybe 09. We could trade to 20. Here comes the breakout above 97.5 on the NASDAQ. And this is going to 12 next. Guys, I'm going through the list. I'm going through the, who's in the room. And I've got a couple of you guys that are in the room. 2 that I've seen so far that memberships have expired. I'll be sending you guys emails today. If you guys want to continue, you can go on a monthly, meaning your 3 months that you received with the bot is passed. Yeah, everything is going bid. Everything is bid. I've done nothing today. I've really done nothing today. There's our target on NASDAQ. Yeah. And you got to have proof of the jab to stay in the room. Nice job, Marco. Yeah, gold can go to 20, guys. I'll lock in 29 ticks here. The bot will be green this week. Was down about 600 coming into today. And it is currently up 1180 with 29 ticks locked in. So around 40, it'll be up not much, 600. Gold's target is 11. 11. Gold's target is 11. It got to 9.3. Guys, my targets are hit on the NASDAQ. Whatever it does is free and off to the races. I do not think Powell has started to speak yet. He has. They're not. Well, they're not saying anything. I'm not hearing anything of his speech unless he's saying not saying anything that worth repeating. Yeah, they're just not repeating anything he's saying in Squawk.
S&P futures back at 4,500, down 227 points.
Going to be out on gold here on the bot.
Stop fill.
Okay, out. That will about end it for the week. Boy, buys took off. Shoosh. Nvidia took off. Apple's getting a nice bid. I gave you my NQ target. It's hit it. 21.22. I have no other targets on NASDAQ. I take that back. 525. $5.25. Nice job, Ray. Well, we are awfully quiet ahead of Powell, or ahead of the conclusion of whatever the heck he's saying. I need pullbacks, guys. I mean, I'm happy to take longs, but I got to get pullbacks. $5.25. $5.25. I mean, I would like to buy. Let me go to a different time frame. I mean, the only long I have now is maybe 82 on a pullback. Maybe 82. I don't have an entry. Let me go to a 15-minute. Nope. I don't have anything better. Maybe 82. Yeah, 85. 86 on a pullback. That's all I have. All right, so I'm going to put my target, guys, at 7, and my stop is going to be 70. Trade them as you see fit. We're not getting much of a bounce here. I mean, we're trying. We should go back to 13. Come on, get above 95. Trade them as you see fit, guys. New candle, some buyers. Need to get above 90, really 96. Above 96, this will go. It'll get to 400 again. Come on, get above 95, 96. Just working through this little seller imbalance in here. There we go. Come on. We're one candle away from breaking back up. 3,700 buyers and 20, 27, 24. Trade them as you see fit, guys. Come on, you stink face. There we go. Should go. Come on, one more candle and this thing goes. One more candle. I'm trying to keep it as small as, I mean, I could probably go to 72. Chuck. I mean, you can go lower, but I really don't want to see it lower, you know? I don't want to see it below 70, really. Okay? I mean, that's why my stop is where it's at. Doesn't mean the next zone down doesn't hold, but, you know, we're chopping around in here. So we're not. If I get the break above 90, this 96, it'll be moot. I'm hearing nothing on my squawk. I have no idea if he's still speaking. We're almost up to 3,800 buyers. Come on, let's go. We're over 3,800, 3,850, and we're still squished here. Inside, inside. Gave us 7 handles. That's it. 7 handles. Now it's coming down. This could come right back to 55.
Stop.
She out. Let's see what happens. You have sellers, Bashkar. I'm not going to teach order flow. I mean, if you want to learn order flow, I teach it in class. We have buyers. This is just a retracement of this enormous move. That's all this is. I think we come now 54. Everything has gotten quiet. SPY is retracing off 449. ES is retracing. Bot finished up 1,600. They're all done for the week. $1,600 green, which makes them green for the week. Somewhere around $1,000, give or take. Here are your bot trades. 2 trades on the ES, both winners. Small short, small long, but both winners. So ES 2 for 2 today. My bots are done. Nothing on bonds. Nothing on bonds. NASDAQ took 2 trades, a winner and a loser. And this is where we're at. 2 trades on the NASDAQ, 1 and 1. RTY took 1 single trade, big winner. Crude took a short here for a winner. Trade number 2 a long, which I closed out. Would have been a loser, but I closed it out when Powell started speaking. So for the purposes of the record, a winner and a loser. And then gold had 3 trades today. A winner to first target, a short to second target, and then a long, which has now hit second target. Okay? 3 for 3 on gold. That's it. The only thing not to trade today is bonds. Guys, we've gotten pretty darn slow. I can tell you what the week total was on the bot. Monday we were up 822.50. Yesterday up 1102.50. And today we were up 1600. On Tuesday we lost 1335. And Wednesday we lost 1245. Bots were up $945 for the week. NASDAQ on the week had 1 winning trade, 1 out of 4. Russell had 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 winning trades out of 9 for the week, 8 for 9 for the week. Gold had 2, 5, 8, 11 winning trades out of 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 11 for 18. Crude had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winning trades out of 9. And the ES had 2, 3, 5 winning trades out of 6. NASDAQ is dogging us. NASDAQ's just dogging. And now we go back up. Anybody have any questions, guys? Any questions? I think you're going to see 500. I don't know about today, but if we get above 96, we're going right back up to the 420 thing. I mean, it could be next week we see 500, but buyers are back in the last couple candles, back up to 36, almost 700. All right, Jeff, see you. Well, unfortunately, Monday's no holiday for me. I have a dentist appointment, so see you on Tuesday. Guys, don't forget, next week we have a new link for the room. I don't think we have any of our trials in. Do I have any trials in the room today, fellas? Email me, Isaac. Monthlies don't get access to the member area. It's for bots, unless you own the bot. Just email me. Guys, do I have any trials in here? I see Paul Schultz in here. Guess you had an elongated trial. That's it. We got above that 96. This should grind back up to that 422. Almost to 4,000 net buyers. All right, fellas, I'm going to wrap it up for the week. I'll be on member Skype. I have an 11:15 Skype call with Joel and our programmer who's working on TradeStation for us. I will see you guys on Tuesday. If anybody has, and don't forget, order flow class for Monday will be done on Tuesday. Okay? Then the following week, we're off on Monday for the holiday. We have to suffer through 2 more weeks of summer trading, and we're back at it. Guys, have a blessed weekend. Thank you, Lori. Thank you. Have a blessed weekend, and I will see you guys all on Tuesday. If anybody needs me, email me, call me, Skype me, okay? Be blessed. Have a safe weekend. I'll see y'all on Tuesday morning.